AVLG. Happy Teachers Day to all my co-teachers in the AVLG group. I feel very proud and happy to say myself as a teacher. As you all know, it is very noble profession. And here we celebrate this Teachers Day by paying tribute to our great person, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan sir. So here today I am here to talk about parenting, happy parenting. Before I go to or talk about happy parenting, I would like to say or share a small story. Here in the story there was a little boy named called John, and his parents were so busy they were not able to spend some time also with him. But only thing the parent or a mother could do for him is restricting for all his activity. John, don't do this. John, don't do that. Only the answer he used to get from his mother was no, no, no. So there was a day where the child forgot his name because he only could hear the one word from his mother was no, no, no. So only he used to respond for the word no. He himself forgot that his name was John because full day he used to listen only the one word no. So now you can understand what is the status of the kid. So here by talking about happy parenting, I am just giving a small tips or small gist how we can mold ourselves and make our life and kids more happier. So the topic here is about happy parenting. So before starting that, I would congratulate all the parents for achieving this monumental achievements of being parent. Let us all thank our kids for giving us this new word, parenthood. Thank you all my children for making your parents to enter in the new world of parenthood. To start with, first of all, it is a big challenge for us as a parent to involve and make our child very happy. So as a parent, it is our responsibility to protect and nurture and give good grooming or upbringing things to our child. So let us think parenting is a fun instead of thinking it is a hardship. So parenting is fun. Show your love and care to your children and you will be undoubtedly getting a happy fruitfulness after that. A parent's number one priority should be child. Later everything comes for a parent. You should talk to them and not at them. I repeat this because it's very important. Talking to the child is important, not talking at the child, because it gives a lot of difference. When you talk to the child, he will open, but when you talk at him or her, he feels he is being put down. Appreciate for all small things. Thank them, hug them, share your love, celebrate their small achievements. Say thank you every time you thank them, you praise them. The way they react would be giving you more happiness than any other in this world. Same time, do not forget to rectify them when they go wrong. Be a role model to your kid. Do not set expectation, and a kind request to all the parents is please do not compare your children with others, because all our five fingers are not same. It's a simple example. All five fingers are not same. For us to think like that, all children are not same. Please do not compare. Be very friendly with your children. Let us be an indulgent parent. Let us give them communication, open for communication. Let us not set their goals. Let us guide them for their achievement of goals. So, I like to end with this saying by a quote given by Mother Teresa. It's not how much we give, but how much love we put into giving it. So, it's like just giving something and expecting something. Giving is done by everyone, but how much love we give and giving it is the important. So last but not least is the greatest legacy that we can give our child is happy memories. Thank you all for giving this opportunity. Thank you. Happy